Why over 50% of people skip your intros? Well, there is a simple reason. They aren't engaging at all. Today, I will show you some tips to fix this based on successful content creators. There are two main problems of using bad intros. A bad intro can make people leave the video because their expectations were higher than what they saw. If we see this engaging thumbnail and click on the video, we will expect to see the homemade boat at the beginning. However, look at this.
Right now, there are over 3 million sunken ships underwater.
Oh, no!
Leave the video. The second problem is to skip the intro that would reduce the audience retention and cut off your advertising. That means YouTube won't share your video to a big audience. To see this practically, we will watch one Mr. Beast intro.
This is the largest shredder in the world, and this Lamborghini's gonna fall in it. We're also nuking an entire life-size village.
Well, he showed what we wanted to see. We saw the Lamborghini and the shredder, but he didn't reveal it though. He also used some of the next effects. Loud voiceover, music, sound effects, shake transitions, under 5 seconds clips, action effects, slow motion, and graphics. All combined together seem too good to be true. That's the point. Now we will focus on the script.
This is the largest shredder in the world, and this Lamborghini's gonna fall in it. We're also nuking an entire life-size village.
All right, here we can see lots of keywords. Using the proper keywords assures that people keep watching the video because they are watching what they wanted. So they will probably like the video even you didn't ask for a like, which is very interesting. By the way, like this video. If we go to the previous example, this YouTuber didn't use any keywords. He started showing some Wikipedia information which may not be interesting for everyone. So make sure to include the keywords of the title on your intro. It is so important, thank me later. We have talked about effects and script, but there is one last important trick to improve your intros to the top. Create the necessity to watch the video. In the case of Mr. Beast is pure adrenaline. I don't care what kind of video you are creating. This is the most difficult part, but also the most important part of video creation. Why would someone want to watch your video and not mine? Make sure to make this clear in the intro, because that will definitely make the difference. I hope you enjoyed this short and educational video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and like for more SEO content on how to grow your YouTube channel.